Yeah. Turn it up, global noise. From the street to the stars. Zahid on the beat, boom. Vamos allá. Big moves when I step in the light. Chain code, heart boulder, ready to fight. From the west side straight to Madrid. Cash flow bounce like a turbo hit. Enemies talk but they whisper low. I drop bars, they drop their glow. All eyes when I walk in the zone. I don't need a crown, I built my own. Soy un criminal del vibe. No me paro, sigo alive. Beat me llama fuego en el drive. Shake the ground when I arrive. Nada me toca, nada me frena. Todo el mundo siente la pena. Play this loud like a sirena. Worldwide heat, no cadena. Caminando solo con la fe. El dinero viene, ya lo sé. Corazón de hierro, no de papel. Mi flow sube como hotel. Dicen que soy loco, maybe. Pero mi ritmo mueve el Navy. Del barrio pero nunca shady. Mi voz es fuego, daily, baby. Midnight light, cities wild. Look in my eyes, born to defile. Never played nice, never ran miles. I fly high on chaos style. Soy un criminal del vibe. No me paro, sigo alive. Beat me llama fuego en el drive. Shake the ground when I arrive. Sin reglas, sin miedo, no hay ley. Every night I make them pay. Run the rhythm, rhythm, rule the wave. Vibe criminal, press replay.
I was walking through the shadows all alone, chasing echoes, hearing silence in my bones. Every step was lost in time and space, till you came and lit up every place. When you came, the stars aligned. Every moment you redefined. My soul broke every chain. Since you came, I'm not the same. You're the reason mornings feel brand new. Every color brighter, all because of you. In your arms, I found my way, where love lives and hearts can stay. When you came